Have you ever thought about how financially secure you and your family are if an unexpected event happens tomorrow? If your answer is no, then this video might be a game changer for you. Watch till the end because just one piece of vital information could ensure your safety. Hello friends, I'm Imran Khan and you're watching Vim Money Mindset. Welcome to the third phase of our Zero to Hero Finance series. Today, we will discuss something often overlooked but incredibly important: emergency funds. I've personally experienced how critical this fund can be during tough times. Let's find out how you can also secure your and your loved one's future. In today's video, we'll cover the difference between saving and emergency funds, how to build a 6-month safety net, where to keep your emergency fund to ensure it's accessible and secure. Are you ready to take a crucial step for your family's safety? If yes, then stay tuned till the end. We often confuse savings with emergency funds, but there is a significant difference. Savings are for specific goals like vacations or buying a new car. An emergency fund, however, is for unforeseen events we can't predict, such as medical emergencies or job loss. Do you have a fund set aside that can help you in sudden crises? Experts recommend having an emergency fund equal to 6 months of your monthly expenses. If your monthly expenses are 30,000 rupees, approximately $360, aim for a fund of 1,80,000 rupees, which is about $2,160. How to start: include the emergency fund in your monthly budget. Set aside a specific amount each month for this fund. Start small. Even saving 5,000 rupees, around $60 a month, can be a significant step. Use extra income. Allocate bonuses, tax refunds, and any additional income to your emergency fund. Your emergency fund should be accessible yet safe. Here are some options. Savings account. Immediate accessibility but lower interest rates. Liquid funds. Higher interest rates and available within 24 to 48 hours. Fixed deposits with sweep-in facility, good interest rates and liquidity. Interesting fact: did you know that liquid funds can offer up to double the interest rates compared to savings accounts? If you've learned something new today and are ready to implement it, write "safety first" in the comments and share this video with your friends and family so they can also stay safe. In the next video, we will discuss 5 golden rules to avoid debt, the truth about loans and credit cards. Stay connected with Vim Money Mindset and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Remember, the future is uncertain, but your preparation shouldn't be. I am Imran Khan, and I'm with you on this financial journey. If you have any questions or suggestions, write them in the comment box. Until next time, stay safe and make wise decisions.